So today we received an iPhone 11 with no Wi-Fi issue. So the first step is try to see if we can boot up this phone. So this phone is charging at 2.5 amp. The Wi-Fi. The Wi-Fi is not working. And for inspection, it looks like we have a new screen on. So this phone was dropped. So somebody actually or a partner shop replaced the screen, but they found out that there's a Wi-Fi issue as well. So it's due to the drop. So basically, usually the case is the board may be separating, somewhere, or the Wi-Fi chip may be not connecting to the board. So some connector or some pins beneath the Wi-Fi chip broke up, or the board itself, half the board is not connecting to the other half of the board. So the only way to fix this is to remove the phone, take out the board, remove the board from the housing, and then separate it out, and we can check it from there and see what's going on. So this is what we're going to do. And okay, it's been about, let's see if we can remove it. It's been almost 10 minutes, more than 10 minutes already. It should come out. There you go. Ooh. So let's check the pads. Take a closer look. Okay. It's all right. All right. All right. Okay. They seem all right. I'm going to turn up the heat. Okay, let's go to microscope and have a closer look up the top board. Okay, let's have a look at the board. It's so blurry. There you go. So this is the Wi-Fi chip. It looks relatively fine right now. So it could be damaged internally, and it could be, one of these pins right here broke off from the top board and could, result in the disconnection of the Wi-Fi. So right now is the best thing is we put the board together on a testing fixture and try to test if there's Wi-Fi. this way. So basically we're trying to see if Wi-Fi is still gray out or not. So that's our purpose. This connector on. Let's get a battery. iPhone 11 battery. This iPhone 11 battery. Okay. So with this kind of fixture is we need to do a little bit finesse. Okay. Okay. There. And there, they're all finesse. And then let's cook the battery. And then boot it. Okay. Okay, from it boot up. Let's check the Wi-Fi. So since we got Wi-Fi now, all right. So what that tell us that the board, the top board and the half board didn't connect properly. That was due maybe to a drop because this phone had the LCD screen replaced. It's still brand new, and as you can see right here. So I think we fix it, and we all we need to do is see we get for Wi-Fi connection. Right now we don't have an antenna on, so but long as we have this is working, then Wi-Fi is working. So let's go back, check Bluetooth as well. So Bluetooth is working. It's not gray out anymore. So let's put the phone back together and test it again. Okay, the board has cooled down. Let's put it into the housing and test for the Wi-Fi issue again. So we know that when we put the boards together on a fixture, that it worked. The Wi-Fi worked, and now we actually reheat the board and fuse the two boards up again. So now we're going to test the Wi-Fi button. Make sure the Wi-Fi is in. Okay. Wi-Fi antenna is in. Sure everything's in. We're just going to temporarily put it in and test it. Okay. Okay, now hook up the screen. So basically, we not only test for the Wi-Fi, we have to test for everything, other things as well, because we separate the board. Now we put it together, we need to make sure everything's working. Okay. Just make sure everything's connected. Okay, let's fire it up. Okay. Okay, let's check for Wi-Fi first. So we have Wi-Fi, which is good. As you can see, let's check for Bluetooth. Bluetooth is working as well. Okay. Let's check other stuff. Let's see. So we have WiMi, the iMe, it's good. Check for sound. Sounds all right. Testing 1, 2, 3. 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 Testing. So it sounds good as well. So check for the camera. So there's an issue with the rear camera. It's not working. Oh, maybe that's the case. Okay, we have the rear cameras working. Yeah. Yeah. So everything's working fine. And that's it. Thank you for watching. That's how you fix the Wi-Fi. In this case, the phone wasn't pretty damaged, so it was a slight damage that could break up some of the pins on the board. Some other cases where we get like a lot of pins broke up, and sometimes not really. It's very hard to repair. And in this case, we got lucky. It wasn't, the phone wasn't total damage, just a light drop. And so that's all, folks. Just hit if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe. It helps us a lot. And hit the like button. If you have any comments, and please comment in the comments section below, and we'll try to respond as much as we can. So we're kind of busy, but but if you have questions or concern or comments, just post your comments, and maybe we can try to help you. All right. Thank you, guys. See you guys in the next video.